3, it says, there will come a time your tears will fall, not because of your trouble, but because God has answered your prayer. Jeremiah chapter 1 verse 19, it says, and they shall fight against you, but they shall not prevail against you, for I am with you, says the Lord. Genesis chapter 28 verse 15, it says, and I will do, and I will watch over you wherever you go, and I will bring you back to this land, says the Lord. Tongue twister. As next needs to see a snack. Ice cream, you scream, we all scream for ice cream. So what a friend we have in Jesus.
Also, I know calls to parents.
I cannot do like this. I am careful and wonderfully made. I am careful and wonderfully made. I raise up my hands. I cannot sing a song. I cannot do like this. I am careful and wonderfully made. I am careful and wonderfully made. I raise up my hands. I cannot sing a song. I cannot do like this. I am careful and wonderfully made. I am careful and wonderfully made. I raise up my hands. I cannot sing a song. I cannot do like this. Angels, angels, stay there school. Whoever step inside must come out as a win. Decorated will stay blue. Showing the sky is the limit. Teachers are ever busy to achieve, to learn, and to mind. Because of the future. Thank you, teachers. Today is my day. Look at me as I shine. Again to say bye-bye to pre-primary. Now I can say I'm no longer a babe. I'm standing before you to say thank you to my teacher. You have taught me how to read, how to write, how to draw. I'm not forgetting how to pray. Now I can say I'm no longer a babe. To say sorry, thank you, may I please excuse me and welcome are on my fingertips. Now I can say I'm no longer a baby. Tojua kwangu nani ajuae, mama yangu akajaribu lakini akashindwa, baba yangu akajaribu lakini akashindwa, mwalimu peke yake ndiye aliondoa kalamu. Asante mwalimu na Mungu akubariki. Shabash, mimi ni birika kafupi kanono uli mkono wangu. Ukitaka chai inamisha kidogo. Joshua 1 verse 6, it says, be strong and courageous. Psalm chapter 23 verse 4, it says, tupenda ayo tutendake swali. I fear no evil, for you are with me. For you are with me. Thank you. You are great and ready to be sent to you. Abide and when I grow up, welcome. it says, blessed are the merciful, for they shall obtain mercy. Blessed are the pure in heart, for they shall see God. Blessed are the peacemakers, for they shall be called sons of God. Ndugu zangu, sikilizeni wasio niwapatie. Wote mtia akilini umuhimu wa vyakula. Kwanza kuna protini, kujenga mwili, lishe bora muhimu, zingatie. Pili ni vitamini inayozuia magonjwa, huletwa mwilini na mboga na matunda. Wapishi mtia akilini, vitamini tusikose, lishe bora muhimu, wananchi tuzingatie. Wanga pia muhimu, Mungu tupatia, mahindi na chapati, hivi vya manufaa. Kazi twaifanya, maisha kuendeleza, lishe bora muhimu, wananchi tuzingatie. These are the good manners, be kind and polite. Say hello to each other, hello and good night. These are the good manners, be kind and polite. Say thank you to each other, thank you and good night. These are the good manners, sorry please excuse me and welcome. Oh, these are my good manners, which one are yours? This is the way